Hello everyone! I am here to do an experiment on a water bottles with holes to compare pressure at a different heights. By doing this, I want to achieve how the depth of the pressure affects the flow of the water with 3 different holes at a different heights. The first step is to take a plastic container or a bottle and make 3 holes at a 3 different heights. Now, make sure that the 3 holes should be of the same size so that the flow of the water should be the same. The second step is to fill the bottle with water. I added a color to the water so that it has a better visualization of the flow of the water. And the last step is to observe the flow of water from the 3 different holes. You could see that the water is coming out at a maximum speed from the hole number 3, which is at the bottom, and water is coming out with minimum speed from hole number 1, which is at the top. So why did this happen? Because the fluid pressure depends on height or the depth of the water. So in this case, hole number 1 has this depth, and hole number 2, this is the depth, and hole number 3 has this depth. Now, as we move from 1 to 3, we see that depth keeps increasing. Therefore, the speed of the fluid coming out also increases, and that is why we see the difference in the flow of the water. And now, you will gradually see that as the level of water is reducing, you will see that hole number 1, there is only a very little amount of water that is flowing, and gradually after some time, as the level of water further decreases, water stops flowing from hole number 1, and the same would happen to hole number 2 as well. So in conclusion of this experiment proved that the pressure of a fluid is dependent on the height or the depth of the water.